What's going on? What's going on? Turn up. You have made it to the Entrepreneur Book Club. Woo! Let's go. Don't turn off that video, man. Right now, you are in the right place that you want to be at. So I'm just going to do a small tutorial on this particular book club and how it functions and some of the key functionalities of how to use this website. This is the bookclubs.com website. As you see here, we already got 6 members and we trying to add more. Let's go, let's go, let's go. So if you know someone who will be interested in being a part of a book club, where they can learn something, we reading like these, self-improvement books, educational books, just so you could take something out of it. This is not for you to be isolated. I know personally how hard it may be to try to finish a book on my own, but with a group, you're going to have that accountability that you can hold yourselves to so we can finish. So this is one of the things that I like to show people right now here. This is the books that we want to read. So far we have The Boy, the Mole, all these different books here. It's like 7 books right now that we got so far. And if you do want to reach out to us, we do have a club meeting, club message meeting here where you could just like message on the message people on the board here. This is really nice. It's really cool. You could send out messages if you have any recommendations for what kind of books you want to read here. And also they have a photo album. So my goal is to be on a Zoom, take pictures, kind of get people interested and involved in reading these books. So you have the photos, you could take photos. My girlfriend does graphic design. She did this wonderful graphic design for us here. So I look forward to doing more with that. You also have the polls where you can do, you could click on it. You could pretty much basically vote on a book that you would like to read. Vote on a book that you would like to read. Once everybody votes come in, please only vote one time. But once everybody vote come in, that's when we'll pick that book to read for the month. So I think it's really nice, man. We have The Psychology of Money going on. We have The 4 Agreements, The Japanese Secret to a Long and Happy Life. That's pretty dope. They have the summary of the book on here as well. You have the boy, the mole, the fox, and the horse. I heard a lot about it, so I feel like that's pretty cool here. So yeah, we have the polls going on here. I'm gonna try to finish the polls up maybe this upcoming week, but don't worry, we got like so much more going on and planned for this particular book club. So I'm super excited right now. Just wanted to show y'all a small tutorial basically of how the website looks and some of the things to be looking forward to. So today, we are hosting our, first unwind wine type event. It's going to be really nice. It's going to be on Zoom. It's going to be a little kickback, but if you cannot make it, do not worry. Like, we're going to have more events. My goal is to do a group event each Sunday and then have other events throughout the week, other just small, check-ins throughout the week, just to make sure you are reading the book and you on pace. So that's the thing I like about this book club is they have the Zoom meetings. You can put in the Zoom meetings on when we want to meet and we all just meet up. It lets you know, okay, who's all attending. You can RSVP. It's really nice. This website is so nice to just kind of like get yourself familiarized with, go through the different chats, go through the different things. I will be uploading stuff daily, hopefully, each day. And, hopefully you can keep on, pace with what we got going on here. But I don't want to take up too much of your time. I just wanted to kind of show y'all exactly how the book club, looks. You just sign up. Very simple. Sign up. You join the Entrepreneur Book Club, and next thing you know, you plugged in, and then we just meet regularly. You'll get your notifications, and that's about it. So if you have somebody that'll be interested, also please let them know this is what we're doing. And this year we want to make sure everybody finish one book, be successful, happy, and yeah, that's about it. See y'all later. Bye-bye.